Okay, I'm sharing with you now my Microsoft whiteboard, and I just copy and paste a picture of a distillator apparatus here. This where you have you can do the distillation process, and this is an example of the thing you can do with the whiteboard, Microsoft whiteboard, and the drawing table. You have different color, different pencil, different option, and one of them can be, pointing to a particular part of the apparatus, like a distillating flask. You can say, okay, make sure the water gas is between the distillating flask and Bunsen burner. Don't use a clay triangle for this one. Make sure the flow of water is in reverse direction than the vapor coming out, so that it's a good exchange of heat. And then you can also write using handwriting. Okay, like next class, I will be asking for describing the part of the apparatus. So you can also make a comment and share with your student. And there is one interesting thing about the Microsoft Whiteboard. The Microsoft Whiteboard is a free app that will be installed as soon as they see that you connect your drawing table to the computer. They will try to download. It's easier. You don't need any password, anything, and they keep saving every slide or every canvas that you are drawing on. If you go by, you see the collection that I have from previous class. This is an example of another problem. Okay, this is for chemistry, of course, and then I was explaining the student how to answer this, because only 78% of my students got the right answer. So I spent some time giving them an explanation how to get the right answer. So I go over, wrote the question, do all the calculation, putting on the side, and then you can, after you finish, you can send to the student. You see the icon here. You can select an email, invite someone, and send to them, or just copy and paste on your canvas, or email to the student who didn't get the right answer. So there are many choices that you can do. And everything you write here, again, Microsoft automatically keeps saving, and then you can go back. For instance, if I want to go back to this one, it's there, so you don't have to worry that you are losing anything. Okay, so that's all I want to share with you about using the drawing table. Different options. There probably are many more, that depending on your needs, or you depending on what you want to share with your student, that you can use.